Well, hello there, everybody in Tractor Thoughts Nation. Oh, I'm running chase for the combine now. I'm blocking the road. Yep, it's that time of year again, getting into the combine and shit. So, had the opportunity right now. I figured I'd do a little video for you. Yep. Oh, yeah, just waiting for the combine to come up over the hill now. I don't know if you can see it back there. Right there. Kinda. Oh, over too far. Right there. Right there is the hill. Yep. Sitting and waiting for the combine. Finally popped over the hill. There he is, right there. Screaming on in at a whole 8.5 mile an hour, I assume. Yep, taking a sweet old time getting down the fucking road here. Yep, like I said, it's that time of year again, doing combining, getting that done. Finally got done chopping. So this will be the excitement for the next 2-3 weeks. Taking corn off, running combine, finishing that up. Pretty much just buttoning up the year for the harvest as far as it goes. So yeah, maybe I'll have a couple videos going into showing you the operations around the combine and why we do what we do and shit like that, I guess. Yep, so like I said, that time of year again, doing combining and shit. Had the combine set up to run corn. Got all excited, to run some corn. And the neighbor calls us, and he asked if we'd combine a soybean. Well, seeing as we didn't plant any of our own soybean this year, and might as well make a few bucks on the side. We said we would. So after I got done mowing the third cut hay this morning, I got the combine ready to go, ready for beans. So got that switched over. And then now with me being the farm's mechanic, I'm chilling here at the side of the field, hoping that the combine doesn't break down. But with that operating, it won't surprise me any. Made it about a half hour before I had to run back and get tools. I wouldn't really call it a breakdown. Just a minor inconvenience. Okay, all right. So you see on our grain head, it has an auger that pulls from each side into the center, and then it has little fingers in the center of the auger that kick soybeans and whatever you're harvesting. In this case, soybeans. Kicks soybeans back into the feeder housing, which takes it up into the rest of the machine there. And what had happened here is one of our fingers that drags it back into the feeder housing come undone from the shaft on the inside of the auger that it rides on. So I just got to run back to the farm and grab a screwdriver so I can get into the auger and fix that finger. So here I be, back at the ranch now. Mainly just come on to say, I fucking hate running soybean. Oh, it pissed me off. Just so dirty and fucking dusty. Yeah, when you gotta work on something, you get all that dirt and dust and fucking soybean chaff on you, makes you all itchy and shit. Gives you black boogers and whatnot. God, it's a pain in the ass. Now that I said my piece, get back to it. Old man just called and said everything's feeding in right on the head, so we're not going to worry about that finger now. It's fine with me, because now I'm on standby back at the farm, so I can actually get something fucking done. Well, try to anyways.